So this is a Kawasaki KDX?
Correct.
KDX 200 two-stroke. Weasel's just looking at the engine because something was wrong with it. This is cracked here.
Appears to have been broken from the inside, yet I don't see any internal damage or loose parts yet. Not quite sure what happened there.
This is the seat and the gas tank. I like the seat. It's pretty cool, but the gas tank is very green. I don't think we will be missed. Tires look pretty decent. We might have to get new. Cool. Here's the front. We're gonna put a headlight. We're gonna make it street legal.
It had lights originally. This front end is off a KX 125 and it's been shortened. Apparently this bike was flat track raced at some point.
I like the symphony music in the background.
I'll bet YouTube won't have a problem with the rights.
Hope
Or
not.
Facebook or whoever the fuck it is. It's always a problem.
I know. That's the tool to remove it.